Good evening, students. In the last video, I told you that I will take a test of lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. So please take out your copies and start writing. I will repeat the question twice and you will just write the answers. Okay. So the first one, lesson number 2, I am giving you the test. First, who adopted the Arab as the language of administration? Who adopted the Arab as the language of administration? You will simply write the answer. Next, when did the rule of the Ottoman caliphs end? When did the rule of the Ottoman caliphs ends? Next, Prophet Muhammad was born at dash. Prophet Muhammad was born at dash in about CE dash. In about CE dash. Muslim worshipped only one God dash. Muslim worshipped only one God dash. Next, Prophet Muhammad's successors. Prophet Muhammad's successors were known as dash. Prophet Muhammad's successors were known as dash. Next, Makkah is the birthplace of dash. Makkah is the birthplace of dash. Next, Quran is the holy book of dash. Quran is the holy book of dash. Now one question you will write down. Describe the teachings of Muhammad. Describe the teachings of Muhammad. At the top you will write down lesson number 2 revision test, and then you will write the answers of all, and then again you will write lesson number 3 on the top and revision test. Lesson number 3 revision test. Now from lesson number 3 I am going to give you few questions. Start writing. Hurry up, don't waste time. Write down. First one, Prithvi Raj Chauhan fought the battle of Tehran against dash. Prithvi Raj Chauhan fought the battle of Tehran against dash. In CE 1173. In CE 1173, Muhammad Ghori conquered dash. In CE 1173, Muhammad Ghori conquered dash. Next, Muhammad Ghazni invaded India to dash its wealth. Muhammad Ghazni invaded India to dash its wealth. Next, Ferdowsi wrote a famous epic named dash. Ferdowsi wrote a famous epic named dash. Next, in CE 1191, in CE 1191, first battle of dash was fought. In CE 1191, the first battle of dash was fought. Now write one question. Why Turks succeeded against Rajputs? Why Turks succeeded against Rajputs? Why Turks succeeded against Rajput? Yes, all of you will write the answers of these questions. Now we will revise lesson number 4. Next week I will take the test of this chapter. So this chapter, the Delhi Sultanate. Again beta, I am telling you, listen properly. Lesson number 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 3, lesson number 4, lesson number 5. These 5 chapters from the history, they are your first term syllabus, and chapter 1 of civics. 1 to 5 from history, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lesson number 1 from civics. Yes, lesson number 4. So tick the correct answers. Razia Sultana, the first Muslim woman. She was the daughter of Iltutmish, who was the founder of Lodi dynasty, Babul Lodi. The system of Chehra identification card system was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. Malik Kafur, he was a slave and he bought from port of Kembe. With the Tamur invasion, which dynasty came to an end? Tughlaq dynasty. Then Razia, she was the only woman ruler of the Delhi Sultanate. Balban believed in absolute monarchy. Iltutmish nominated his daughter to the throne. Qutbuddin Aibak, founder of the slave dynasty. Alauddin Khilji, introduced control of prices and rationing system. Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced token currency. Babul Lodi, founder of the Lodi dynasty, and CE 1526. So it's the last one. First battle of Panipat was fought. So Dash was the real founder of slave dynasty. Who is the founder of slave dynasty? Iltutmish. He was the founder of the slave dynasty. Then Dash was nominated by Iltutmish as his successor, Razia Sultana. Balban believed in the divine theory of kingship. Dash was the first Khilji ruler, Jalaluddin Khilji. Malik Kafur led many campaigns in North India. Amir Khusro was a well-known poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin constructed a big tank called Hauj Khas. And then Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Dash invaded India in CE 1398, Tamur. Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced copper coins in the place of gold and silver coins. Qutbuddin Aibak built the Qutub Minar, very true. Balban believed in absolute monarchy, true. Malik Kafur was also known as Hazrat Dinari because he was brought for 1,000 dinars, true. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is known as a mixture of opposites, true. Firoz Shah Tughlaq was Muhammad bin Tughlaq's son, false. Sikandar Lodi lost control, false. Genghis Khan was the founder of Sayyid dynasty, true. Clear? So this chapter we have done. Please do this crosswords also. They are simple, clear, and mark these. If you will not get, you can ask from me. Okay. Then lesson number 4 is revised. So lesson number 4, though this lesson is big, so only this chapter test I will take next week. Now the lesson number 5 is left, that we will do later. Thank you, children.